is cracked and cracked. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video on our 2004 Vivaro Project Vinnie. Now I will start off with an apology. I'm handling you strange because this morning I broke my mount by dropping the GoPro and also smashed, luckily, just the lens protector, but I've gone through a few of these now, so I'm hoping you can see okay. I've put a new lens protector on. But anyway, back to the job at hand. Like I say, I apologise for the camera work. Here we go. So, as from the thumbnail, we've got a nasty indicator in here. I don't know if you can see it very well, but it's cracked and cracked. That's quite a hefty crack, and it's gone all milky or fuzzy or whatever you call it inside. So, hopefully, this is going to be a really quick one. I've ordered a couple of these. These are just from eBay, and just hopefully a really quick video of how we replace these. I bought two, so I'm going to replace a pair, but these were just under £30, like I said, from eBay. So let's be really quick. I'll try and set you up on some sort of makeshift stand, which we can hold you on and quickly buzz through and change these. And if I remember, I will put a link to these in the description below. So before I set you up on our tripod, what we're looking for is the little lever. Here's the light in here. So then you just grab that, pop it out, and then we'll remove the light. I'm going to put you on there because I can't do it one-handed. So you set up on my tripod. So we get in here, pop that little clip out I showed you earlier. We've got our new one ready. Nice and shiny. So this is the same to change a bulb in one of these as well. Basically, you got this fitting here. These new ones I got come with everything, new bulb and everything. So I'm just going to pop this one off and replace it. But if you wanted to change a bulb, just grab that with your hand, grab that with the other, give it a twist, lefty-loosey, and it will wiggle out. And then if you want to change your bulb, just pop it out, pop a new one in. But we've got all that, so to change this, basically just simple plug, give it a squeeze, give it a wiggle. Don't let go of it because it disappears into the bumper, as I found out just a few seconds ago on the other side. So then we just plug that one in, click, and then feed it back in. So you've got to feed it in that way first, it hooks in behind here, and then wiggle it back in, and a little shove, just in there, and that's it. It's in. And it shows how mucky it was before, or how far it stuck out before as well, because look at the muck on there. But yeah, that's nice, isn't it? And if you do like what we're doing here, please help the channel grow and give us a thumbs up. Right, I've just popped it out again because I just noted something, that if you push it too far that way, the clip doesn't go in here properly. So don't be pushing it all the way there. Just let it go in a bit, and then you can just move over a little bit, and that's it. Now that's popped in. Sorry if I make funny noises. See, that's popped in even further now. So yeah, that is a lovely jubbly. There we go. So that's it. Nice easy fix or change. And once I've cleaned the bumper up, it will look nice and fresh, I think. What do you think? Lovely. Okay. Right. Well, if this was any use to you, please give us a thumbs up. Look us up on Instagram, larks_workshop. And I hope to see you next time. Cheers then. I better start again. Oh god, I dropped it now. Ooh, shiny. Means I've got to clean the van now. Little pointy thingy. Basically a screwdriver.